Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log out of your MyFitnessPal application. To sign out or log out of MyFitnessPal is super easy, so let's get started. First of all, open up the MyFitnessPal application on your device, and once you're in the home page, go ahead and tap on the More button at the bottom right corner. Inside the More menu, scroll down and tap on Settings. Inside Settings, go ahead and select the Logout button and tap on it. You will then be redirected to the main login screen, which means you have successfully signed out of your account. And that's it. You are now logged out of MyFitnessPal. If you are using the platform on a shared or public device, make sure to log out to keep your account secure. So that is how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.